Hello guys, today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in your Realme 10 Pro Plus in the 4 most popular web browsers. So we start from the Opera. In the Opera just click here on this tab icon and switch to the private. Now just add a tab. That's it. The next one is Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome just click here on this three-dot icon. Sometimes it will be an arrow icon, but in the same place, and choose new Incognito tab. Now the Microsoft Edge. The Microsoft Edge, tab again on the taskbar icon and switch to the in private. Now just add a tab. And the last one, the Firefox. Just click here on this Zorro mask, and if you have any site, click in the same way by this taskbar icon and go to the Zorro mask again and choose private. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.